I'm inside the Windows PowerShell, which is running in the administrator mode. We're gonna go through the OpenClaw onboard process in this video. Firstly, make sure that you have the OpenClaw installed, and then you're gonna type in here OpenClaw onboard and enter. It will ask you whether you want to continue. Type in here Y, and you can explore the options by pressing the up or down key from keyboard. It's better to use the quick start. Enter. I had already configured the onboard process before, so it shows me the option to update the values. I'll pick the update values option. Firstly, we choose the model here. I'll choose the Google because I have the Gemini API key. Select the model of which you have the API key. Let's choose Google here. Since I have the Gemini API key, I'll choose the Google Gemini API key option. I'll need to enter the Gemini API key. Now let's go to aistudio.google.com to get the API keys. I already have one API key here, so I can just use this, copy this API key, and in order to paste this here, right click. It's been pasted, and just enter. You can choose any model here and enter. On the next part, you have to select the channel. Telegram is the best option. Let's pick Telegram. I have already configured one setting from Telegram. Let me choose the modify settings in order to show you how it's done. Modify settings. It shows here Telegram token already configured. I'm going to press N here. That means no, so that I can show how to set it up. N. It will ask you to enter the Telegram bot token. So we're gonna firstly have to create the Telegram bot. On your Telegram, you're gonna search bot father. This one here, open. You have to firstly join this. Once you're joined here, type in here /new bot. Enter. Give this bot a name, OpenClaw bot, and enter. We're gonna have to now pick up a username that should end with bot. So I've given this a username that ends with bot and enter. So now the bot has been created. What you're gonna do now is open. This is the new bot, and here's our token. We're gonna have to copy this. Once it's copied, now paste it here. Right click to paste here. Once it's pasted, enter. Now you're gonna have to write in the username or user ID of your Telegram. I'll just simply put the user ID. Enter. Now everything is configured. If you want to configure the skills for OpenClaw, you can just type in here yes. So this is where you select the skill and install them. But I'm gonna skip it for now because I don't have all the requirements in order to set or install the skills. So press space on the skip for now option and enter. Also, I don't have the Google Places API key, so press N, again N, also N here. You can configure it later. The gateway service gets installed. You can just reinstall it. If it's your first time, it will prompt you to install directly. Reinstall. Yes, gateway service is also installed. And it shows here onboarding complete and dashboard has been opened. If you go to your browser, one new tab will be opened directly. In my case, there are some errors, so the tab is not opened or is not visible. But in your case, you'll be able to view this page and see the dashboard and do a lot of things there. So that's the onboard process for OpenClaw. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.